Today's edition of Go Sneak Peek is sponsored by the St. Louis Science Center.
Hey there, St. Louis. I'm Gabe Hartwig with your early look at Friday's issue of Go Magazine. If you've looked at the internet, watched TV, or picked up a magazine lately, you know that comedian Amy Schumer is enjoying some time in the spotlight, which means the old debate has resurfaced over whether women are as funny as men. They are, and they have been for some time. Schumer is just the latest in a long line of funny women, and she stars this weekend in Trainwreck, a movie that she also wrote. This week in Go Magazine, our film critic Joe Williams looks back at some of the queens of comedy, and he reviews Trainwreck, calling it the funniest movie of the year. This weekend in St. Louis, a casting call for The Biggest Loser will search for teams of two who are motivated to change their lives. The show's casting director says being picked for the show is like winning the lottery for someone who wants to lose weight. TV critic Gail Pennington has details in her Tube Talk column. And restaurant critic Ian Frobe visits Lucky Buddha, a restaurant that is putting a personal spin on simple Asian dishes. Look for those stories and more in Friday's issue of Go Magazine. And if you run a local arts nonprofit, check out our Hot List blog to learn how your group can get a free booth space at our Fall Arts Preview event, happening August 26th at the Luminary. That's all for now. Enjoy the rest of the week, and I'll be back next Wednesday with another Go Sneak Peek.